So, James, I am a local business and I want more local leads in my area for my company. What are some things that you recommend I should do?
Yeah, so hiring a local lead generation agency is key, in my opinion. I'd definitely be trying to generate some of your own in-house local leads as well. But over at Fatrank.com, we are a local lead generation company that provides businesses, whether you're an electrician, you're a plumber, you're a roofer, you do solar panels, you do commercial cleaning, it could be anything that you do. We're able to generate you local leads and try to make certain the leads that make you the most profit. So I would definitely head on over to fatrank.com and fill in the form. But away from that, there's different types of leads and different places you can generate leads. So obviously, like you'll know very well, Kaz, yourself with regards to the Google Maps, like the Google business profiles. If you can go and get in some nice 5-star reviews and get a lot of citations, then you can end up ranking higher within the maps, which is massive for local lead generation. So, what other strategies from a local lead generation platform? What would you be looking to do? Would you be looking to do any sort of Facebook ads or anything like
So
that?
yeah, you've obviously got meta ads, which includes Facebook and also Instagram, which is quite nice, especially if like you're in quite a bigger area. So like for example, in the UK, if you're living in like Manchester, Birmingham, London, you can very quickly generate a lot of leads. But you obviously need to work on the quality. You've obviously got PPC as well, and you can also restrict the area. So you can say, okay, I only want to show my PPC listings within a 10-mile radius of this postcode or this town or this city. So you could go down that route. You can also start doing local SEO. So obviously, you've got your map pack, but your actual website as well. So you could do stuff like plumbers in Manchester and trying to rank for that. Um, and then obviously, lastly, you've got like sites like Bark, Checker Trader, Fat Rank, stuff like that that you can also go and get listed on and start getting leads.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, anyone who's watching this, if you do own a local business and you are looking for more leads, I'd say diversification is key. But what I'd make certain that you are doing is tracking the ROI on all the different platforms. So Kaz was there, mentioned like Checker Trade, Builder, Yellow Pages, Bark. These are all great places to get you local leads. But make certain that for every single one of those platforms, you are tracking the KPIs and making certain that you can compare like check a trade with FatRank or Bark with FatRank and double checking to see which ones get you the highest return on investment and then seeing whether if you're doing like local SEO, whether that is worth it or whether it's not, and just double checking to see what generates you the highest return on investment and then double down on those local lead generation companies.